Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Automate your garden watering and save time, water, and effort with smart scheduling solutions designed for busy homeowners and healthy lawns. Best water hose timers help you control irrigation precisely, reduce waste, and enjoy consistent plant growth all season long. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Orbit 24634XD Water Hose Timer. The Orbit 24634XD Water Hose Timer is a smart choice for gardeners who want precise, hands-free watering without the guesswork. Powered by Orbit's Beehive XD technology, this timer connects through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, giving you full control from your smartphone while also allowing local programming if needed. What makes it stand out is its ability to adjust watering schedules based on real-time local weather data, helping prevent overwatering and saving water during drought conditions. It automatically recognizes regional restrictions and adapts accordingly, which is ideal for areas with changing watering regulations. The IPX5 waterproof rating ensures reliable outdoor performance even when exposed to splashes and rain. Installation is straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive enough for beginners while still offering advanced customization for experienced users. Whether you're maintaining flower beds, vegetable gardens, or a lawn, this timer delivers consistent, efficient irrigation throughout the season with minimal effort. Number 2. RAINPOINT Irrigation Water Hose Timer. The RAINPOINT Irrigation Water Hose Timer offers flexibility and control, especially for households managing multiple watering zones. Featuring 2 programmable outlets, it allows separate schedules for different sections of your yard, ensuring each area receives the right amount of water. With 38 automatic watering frequency options, users can customize run times from 1 minute up to nearly 4 hours and set intervals ranging from hourly to weekly cycles. The 3 manual watering modes provide added convenience, letting you water Zone 1, Zone 2, or both without disturbing preset schedules. Its rain delay function, adjustable for 24, 48, or 72 hours, helps conserve water during wet conditions. Built with a 360-degree rotatable connector, durable high-impact plastic housing, and an upgraded diaphragm system rated for long service life, it is designed to withstand outdoor use. The metal filter and improved sealing enhance durability, making it a dependable solution for consistent irrigation.
Number 3. Melnor 65141AMZ Water Hose Timer. The Melnor 65141AMZ Water Hose Timer is a practical and user-friendly solution for gardeners who want reliable automation without complicated setup. Each valve functions like an independent timer, offering up to 4 selectable start times, which makes it easy to create customized watering routines for different areas. The large LCD screen clearly displays settings, simplifying programming and adjustments. Its manual watering option is particularly convenient, allowing quick access to the faucet for tasks like washing the car or rinsing patios without removing the unit. Powered by 2 AA batteries, the timer is easy to maintain and install. What adds confidence to this purchase is the 7-year limited warranty, reflecting the brand's commitment to durability. Ideal for lawns, flower beds, or small garden systems, this timer provides consistent scheduling and dependable performance while remaining straightforward enough for everyday users who prefer a simple yet effective irrigation tool. Number 4. Melnor 65140AMZ Water Hose Timer. The Melnor 65140AMZ Water Hose Timer delivers flexible scheduling in a compact and easy-to-operate design. It allows watering as frequently as every hour or as infrequently as once a week, giving users the freedom to tailor irrigation plans to suit seasonal needs. Each valve can run for as little as 1 minute or up to 6 hours, accommodating delicate plants as well as larger lawns that require longer soaking periods. The manual override function is a helpful addition, letting you access water instantly for cleaning or spot watering without interrupting programmed cycles. The straightforward controls and clear display make setup quick, even for first-time users. Operating on 2 AA batteries, the timer installs directly onto a standard faucet with minimal effort. For homeowners seeking dependable automatic watering without advanced connectivity features, this model offers a balanced combination of versatility, simplicity, and reliable day-to-day performance.
Number 5.
Insoma IPX5 Water Hose Timer. The Insoma IPX5 Water Hose Timer is designed for larger gardens or households that require multiple watering zones. With 4 independent outlets, it allows customized schedules for different areas, such as lawns, greenhouses, or vegetable patches. Although the outlets operate sequentially rather than simultaneously, the system efficiently follows programmed start times to ensure thorough coverage. Users can set watering frequencies from hourly intervals to up to 30 days apart, with durations ranging from 1 minute to 6 hours. Manual watering mode enables quick access without removing the device, and the rain delay feature can pause schedules for up to 15 days before automatically resuming. A child lock function prevents accidental changes, which is useful in busy households. Built with IPX5 waterproof materials, anti-UV coating, and reinforced seals around the battery compartment, it is well suited for outdoor conditions. Overall, it provides extensive control and dependable operation for diverse irrigation needs.
Thanks for watching. We hope this guide helped you choose the right water hose timer for your needs. Check the links below for the latest prices and details. Pick the perfect option. Simplify your watering routine and keep your garden healthy, green, and thriving year-round.